Hey everybody, welcome to Band Advice TV. Today, we'll talk a little bit about the Grolsch strap lock system. I'm your host, Mark Allen V, and this is Tips, Tricks, Giggles, and we're rolling? Sorry. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is staying safe. Today I just want to do a quick little video on this DIY guitar hack that you may or may not know of. It's been around for decades, but it's the Grolsch beer bottle rubber gasket strap lock system. So basically what you do is you take the rubber gasket off of here, and then you put your strap on your strap nut, and you put the gasket over it. It holds the strap in place. And I've seen a lot of pictures. A lot of the old timers used it. In fact, even Joe Bonamassa, I believe, tried to package and sell a bunch of these, much to his chagrin. But let me show you how it's done real quick. All right. So basically, what you do is you just take your beer bottle, and it's got to be one of these kind. It's got the pop off top on it, and you just pull the rubber gasket off of that stopper there. You may want to go ahead and wash it and dry it a little bit because beer does tend to create a little bit of a funky odor after it gets stale and dry. And then what you do is you just you put your strap on, your strap nut there, and then you just kind of work this over, and voila. Got yourself a handy dandy little strap lock and won't take that off whatsoever. And it works really well if you've got a strap that may be pretty worn, or if you've got a guitar like a telly or something like that tends to, I found my tellies, the straps tend to pop off real easily. Now I do have something I want to warn you guys about if you're planning on trying this. That rubber gasket, it sits onto that strap nut pretty tightly, and then the friction between your guitar strap and that gasket as well will actually cause the gasket to move, and that gasket will actually end up moving that nut as well. And as you can see, the nut's already loosening up in there. It will actually unscrew that screw, and you'll be sitting there playing and look down and hopefully catch it before the whole thing pops out and strips out. So I recommend throwing a little bit of a little thread lock down in there, or maybe just a little dollop of wood glue or something, or maybe even try burrowing out the gasket a little bit so that it kind of sits there and floats freely and doesn't clamp down onto that nut really well, but still doesn't pop off as easily. So there you go, the Grolsch bottle rubber gasket strap lock system. So if you're 21 years old, go out and get yourself a couple bottles and give it a shot. And like I said, though, but remember to throw a little thread lock in there and keep your eye on it so it doesn't unscrew on you. So anyway, until next time, I'm your host, Mark Allen V, and this is Band Advice TV, tips, tricks, giggles, and stuff. Peace.